Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me on this video. Today I'm going to show you how to use Kittl Erase tool. For this instance I'm going to use files from ideogram. Last few days I was trying to create folded mockups. They are popular today in Etsy. So let's download few of those files. Let's say this one. And I also will download few, let's say those files. I wanna try to delete this part of the design, and also this one I will try to delete the watch. So let's say one t-shirt, this one is clear, and this one as well. And I will separate these cars. They are like clip art pack, let's say. And let's say this one as well. Let's download this. Wait few more seconds. There you go. Let's open the file. I'm going to extract the PDF, and now there you go. I will delete this one. So I will upload those files in Kittl. Let's open one new project in Kittl. New project. Just bear in mind that I'm using the prop one, you can see here. But anyway, you can create free account and you can decide it if you like or not, and you can upgrade it afterwards. If you have any interesting, the link will be down below in the description. So let's continue. I'm going to make this 5000 by 5000 pixel because it's the bigger size. So let's type 5000 by 5000. 300 dpi. Done. Create. So now let's just drag those files here, grab all of them and drag it here. There you go. I will grab them and make them bigger, move them on the side, and let's start with this one first. I will duplicate the file, so you can hold out and just drag the file on the side, or Control C, Control V, and we've got one more file. So let's start with the first car. I will keep just this one, the top one. Click on the image and go on Erase tool. I will make this a little bit bigger. I will make the size of the template bigger, and I will start. Let's make it a little bit more bigger, and I will start deleting the both cars. Make it bigger. There you go. Let's remove the background, or we can first of all remove the background, but there you go. We've got the first car. Let's try to erase everything. Perfect. So we've got the first car. Let's do, I will put this here. So click on the image. Let's remove the background first. Just click on the erase tool, make this bigger, make the size of the template bigger, and start removing the objects. There you go. And this one, I will keep the shadow as well. There you go. I think it's perfect. Yes. So we've got the second one. Make this smaller. Okay. And we need the third one. Okay. Click on the erase tool, or just remove the background. Click on the erase tool, and we're gonna need the bottom one. Just delete this one and this one. If you for some reason do like this, just Control Z, or you can go back from this button, undo, and you will start again like this. Make it bigger. There you go. perfect. So we've got our 3 cars. So now I can do this with this image, but I'm not gonna waste your time. So let's try. Let's remove this. Afterwards I will download to show you how they looks in transparent background. So let's try this one. I will remove the background first to make it transparent. There you go. Move this here. So let's remove this object. I will click on the image and start. Come on, Control Z, click on the image, erase tool, make it bigger and start deleting. Here, like this. Done, and we are ready. So let's make this bigger. Let's say this is, if you creating t-shirt designs, you can do this with the designs, and I will download this. Let's say 5000 by 5000 pixels, 300 dpi. I remove the background, optimize quality, download. There you go. And now we can see this design, how it looks. Double click. You can see, because it's on transparent background, it's gonna look like this. So let's download one of the cars, or we can download all of them, but let's try just this one. You can sell this as a clip art. Make it in the middle and the center. Download from here. 5000 by 5000. There you go. Let's check this image as well. You can see how it looks on transparent background. We can put this on the t-shirt as well. If you can add text on the top and on the bottom. So let's try something different. Let's remove this. I will try to create mock-up with these two images. And for this instance, I will remove the background, make the t-shirt bigger, and because I don't want this tag, I want to put my brown tag here. I need to remove this this tag. So to do this, just click on Erase tool and Erase and Fill. Click this button, and now when you delete this this tag, it's gonna keep the main color of the t-shirts. Let me show you. I will make this a little bit bigger and just start deleting like this. I'll leave this to do the magic. Wait few more seconds, and there you go. But it's a little bit dark. I will do this again until I get the perfect color, or almost the perfect. There you go. It becomes better. Let me delete this one. I think now it's going to be perfect. Just wait a few more seconds. There you go. Just this one. You need to play and be patient because it's gonna take time. But anyway, it's a great tool. Let's do it again, and I will leave it like this. Afterwards, I will create my brand logo, and I will put my logo here. Just wait a few more seconds. Perfect. Click on done. So we've got our t-shirt. Move the t-shirt here, and now I will make this bigger like this. And let's say we want to remove the key from here. Just make this little bit bigger. Click on the erase tool, erase and fill, and let's make it a little bit bigger and just delete the key. Perfect. Let's see what is going to happen. I will make this bigger. There you go. Just a little bit here and here. And after that, I will put the t-shirt on the top. Let's remove this as well. There you go, it's ready. Just click done. Now let's grab this t-shirt. And we can leave it like this. We can make it a little bit smaller. Perfect. And now let's say it's gonna be just this car on the t-shirt like this, or we can add our design from here. Just make this little bit smaller, make it even more smaller. There you go. Make this bigger like this. Nope. Control Z, grab this, and I think this is pretty good. Let's make it like this. Perfect. Let's just make it a little bit smaller. Let's say this is gonna be our t-shirt mockup with the design on the top. Let's download this. I can download this as a JPEG file, as a PNG. I don't need to remove the background. Make it 300 dpi. 5000 by, or for Etsy we can do it 2000. We can control the pixels from here. Make it 2000 by 2000. Just optimize the quality. Download this file, and we can grab everything. We can actually group everything. Let's group everything with Control G, and now we can make this even bigger. We've got our file ready to download. Let's make this bigger. From here I will put the design in the middle and the center, and there you go. We've got even bigger mockup. Let's check how it looks. And now we can use this mockup in Etsy or in your site. Just wait a few more seconds to open the file. There you go. So let me recap what we did. We can have like clipart pack, and we can separate the objects and make them separate files. After that we can create bundle from those files, because they can be different objects, not just cars. We can grab two files, delete some objects from them, keep the color the same or the same style of the design, and we can put together 2 or 3 files like this one. We put 3 files together and make the t-shirt mockup for our Etsy or our site. So with that being said, guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this.